Flexil versus LiquidText. Which note-taking app should you choose? Let's break it down. Flexil, on the other hand, is built for study and research. It combines PDF reading with annotations, pen gestures, split view, audio sync, and smart content linking. It's perfect for multitasking students who need to highlight, take notes, and review all in one place. Flexil currently has a 3.8 out of 5 rating on the Google Play Store. That means most users are happy with it, especially Android tablet users. Let's move to LiquidText. LiquidText is a powerful note-taking app with a canvas-based interface that lets you import documents, pull out key excerpts, connect ideas visually, and organize complex information better than on paper. Currently, LiquidText has a 4.5 out of 5 rating on the Apple Store. That means most users are happy with it, especially Android tablet users. Let's see who takes the crown in this head-to-head comparison. Flexil focuses on PDF annotation with note-taking using smooth gestures. LiquidText is built for deep reading and research, letting you connect notes and ideas visually. Flexil has a small learning curve, but great for organized users. LiquidText feels more intuitive if you're into mind mapping or multi-document work. Flexil has a planner-style UI with templates, mostly free with add-ons. LiquidText is clean and minimal, free to try, but full features cost around $30, plus a subscription for sync. Flexil works on Android, iOS, and even Harmony OS. LiquidText supports iPad, Mac, and Windows, best if you're in the Apple ecosystem. Go for Flexil if you want gesture-based note-taking with structure. Choose LiquidText if you're all about research and connecting ideas visually. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.